After logging in, click on Shop present on the top menu. Here you can see all the courses and tests available for buying. Buying a course is very easy. Just add to your cart and make the payment. So for this video, let's buy NEET SS 2020 Surgical Oncology Mock Test. Click on the image to see all the details of this test set. If you have any questions prior to buying, you can contact us by clicking here. This will take you to our WhatsApp number. After reading the description, click on Add to Cart button. Clicking on the Checkout button takes you to the checkout page. You can pay by credit and debit cards, net banking, UPI and Ments. We'll be using our available Ments for a discount. After the discount is applied, we can pay the remaining amount by any payment mode of choice. Before proceeding, make sure to fill out the required details and tick the Terms and Conditions checkbox. Clicking on the Place Order button takes you to the payment gateway. Here you can choose from various available payment methods. For this video, we'll be using the UPI payment method. We opted for the Show QR code. Now we are scanning this QR code using an UPI app on a mobile. Upon doing the payment via our UPI app, this page will refresh automatically. Don't navigate away or refresh this page while the payment is being processed. Upon successful payment, you will be redirected to the course. You can now start the course right away. Congratulations! You can also access this course from the My Courses area anytime. In the meantime, you will receive email confirmations of your order. Let's check them. Now this email confirms successful payment for your order. This email confirms you are successfully enrolled into the course or test. This email contains your order information. And this email informs you about the rewards you have unlocked. In this case, 150 Ments.